Have you ever looked around and wondered why some people always seem to have extra money while everyone else is stuck living paycheck to paycheck? The crazy part is, it's usually not because they earn more. It's because they see opportunities that almost 90% of people completely ignore. Tiny opportunities, simple habits, easy money that's hiding in plain sight every single day. And once you notice them, you can't unsee them. Think about it. Imagine walking past a $20 bill on the sidewalk every morning for an entire year without ever looking down. Sounds ridiculous, right? Yet millions of people do the financial version of that every single day. Today, we're uncovering the overlooked money leaks, hidden opportunities, and surprisingly simple strategies that quietly separate people who build wealth from those who constantly wonder where their paycheck disappeared. Some of these ideas are backed by psychology, others by real-world economics, but all of them can change how you think about money. And trust me, the last one is so simple that you'll probably wish someone had told you years ago. The first piece of easy money isn't hidden in some secret investment or side hustle. It's hiding inside purchases you're already making. Behavioral economists call it money left on the table. It happens when people ignore cashback, rewards, discounts, employer benefits, tax advantages, or even subscriptions they forgot existed. Picture two friends buying the exact same laptop. Same store, same price. One pays full price, walks out smiling, and never thinks about it again. The other spends 5 extra minutes checking cashback offers, uses a rewards credit card responsibly, applies a student discount, and redeems loyalty points. Suddenly, the exact same laptop costs $80 less. Who earned $80? Technically, both bought the same computer, but only one noticed the money that was already available. Researchers have found that people often ignore these opportunities because of something called decision fatigue. After making dozens of choices every day, our brains naturally default to convenience instead of optimization. Companies know this, and they're counting on it. Now, this doesn't mean chasing every coupon until you're clipping discounts for toothpaste at 2 in the morning. Time matters too. Saving 50 cents after 20 minutes of work isn't a financial strategy, it's a hobby. The real trick is focusing on high-value opportunities that take almost no effort. Automate cashback where possible. Check employee benefits. Review bank rewards. Cancel subscriptions you forgot about. These tiny actions may feel insignificant, but together they quietly recover hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. And here's what's fascinating. This isn't even the easiest money people ignore. There's another source of hidden cash that's sitting much closer than your wallet, and most people walk right past it every single day. Now let's talk about a kind of easy money that doesn't from spending less. It comes from using something you already own, your skills. Here's the surprising part. Most people don't underestimate the market. They underestimate themselves. Imagine someone who can edit videos, design simple logos, organize spreadsheets, fix computers, or even explain math clearly. To them, it's just another Tuesday. But to someone else, that's a problem worth paying to solve. Psychologists call this the curse of knowledge. Once you've learned something, your brain struggles to remember what it felt like not to know it. As a result, you assume your skill is ordinary, when in reality, it's valuable. Think about your smartphone for a second. You probably know shortcuts, settings, or apps that your parents, or maybe even your friends, have never heard of. Knowledge feels free to the person who has it, but incredibly valuable to the person who doesn't. This is exactly why people pay for convenience every day. They're not buying information. They're buying time, simplicity, and fewer headaches. The funny part, many people spend years searching for the perfect business idea while sitting on skills they could monetize this weekend. The opportunity isn't always hiding in a revolutionary invention. Sometimes it's hiding in something you've become so good at that you no longer notice it's special. Start paying attention whenever someone says, "Wait, how did you do that?" Or "Can you help me with this?" Those questions are often tiny flashing signs pointing toward income opportunities. And here's where things get even more interesting. The biggest source of easy money isn't about spending smarter or selling your skills. It's about changing one invisible habit that silently controls almost every financial decision you make. Here's the biggest surprise of all. The easiest money you'll ever make is often the money you never spend in the first place. Not because you're being cheap, but because you're learning how your brain works. Behavioral scientists have discovered something called the present bias. Our brains naturally value immediate rewards rewards more than bigger future rewards. That's why buying a gadget today feels exciting, while saving that same money feels about as thrilling as watching paint dry. Imagine this. You walk into a supermarket for milk and somehow leave with scented candles, spicy chips, a giant chocolate bar, and a kitchen gadget you'll use exactly once. Congratulations. You've experienced one of retail's oldest magic tricks. Stores are designed to encourage impulse buying. Music, lighting, shelf placement, even the smell of fresh bread are carefully chosen to keep you shopping longer. You're not weak, you're human. Here's the easy money almost nobody talks about: creating tiny barriers before spending. Wait 24 hours before buying something expensive. Remove your saved credit card from shopping apps. Unsubscribe from promotional emails. These actions take minutes, but can save hundreds of dollars over time. It sounds almost too simple, but research consistently shows that making impulsive purchases slightly less convenient dramatically reduces unnecessary spending. Sometimes the difference between keeping your money and losing it is literally one extra click. We often think financial success comes from making one brilliant decision. In reality, it usually comes from avoiding hundreds of small, expensive mistakes. And when you combine smarter spending, overlooked opportunities, and valuable skills, something remarkable begins to happen. The money you thought was impossible to earn starts appearing almost effortlessly, not because the world changed, but because the way you see it finally did. Now, let's put everything together and uncover the simple mindset that ties all of these hidden opportunities into one powerful strategy. So, here's the real takeaway. Easy money isn't about winning the lottery, finding a secret loophole, or becoming an overnight millionaire. It's about noticing what everyone else overlooks. Recover money you're already losing. Recognize the value of your existing skills, and build small habits that protect your future wealth. Individually, these changes seem almost insignificant. Together, they can completely transform your financial life over time. The question isn't whether these opportunities exist, they do. The real question is, now that you can see them, will you actually use them? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.